Welcome everyone to this video. The book, The Restoration of Human Abilities, is the subject of our discussion, which was written by L. Ron Hubbard in January 2024. We will examine the introduction of this booklet together. For the first time ever, we are going to explore one of the biggest mysteries in the history of Scientology. We are talking about what has become known as the composite case. Let's first understand what a composite case is. A composite case is case perceived by an individual being, but owned by another, yet capable of affecting both beings, because of a mutual incident in the past. At one time, this was only learned about in the upper levels of the Scientology bridge, from OT3 to OT8, and specifically on knots. NED for OTs. But as years passed, there were obvious flaws observed with this theory, mainly the fact that it was not producing exteriorized beings, or anything close what one would call OTs, operating thetans. Let's examine the definition of exterior. Exterior, the fellow would just move out, away from the body, and be aware of himself as independent of a body, but still able to control and handle the body. In fact, upon close inspection, pretty much every being run on these upper levels had lost most of their previous case gains. This went unnoticed for so long, because of the secretive nature of these upper-level materials, and the policies of the Church of Scientology regarding security. There was then no way to have these case results reviewed publicly or otherwise. It was not until research on restoration of human ability began that a solution for this problem was discovered. For in developing the tech that should have been released between Scientology 8008 and creation of human ability, it was easy to see an additional gap existed in relation to the attainment of exteriorization. Creation of human ability clearly and publicly stated that a being is only considered to be an operating thetan, AOT, if they can do both routes, Route 1 and Route 2 in the book, while being exteriorized. So, the flip side to that would mean that a being who is not exterior cannot be an OT. Period. You will not find a being today that is exterior with full perception, and without it, they cannot become OT. Now, the funny thing is that it was the composite case that had been preventing beings from going exterior. But the source and theory were wrong. Not to mention there has been a slight misunderstanding in how we define what exteriorization is. Composite case and exteriorization are covered in clear detail in this volume, with no secrets. And, with this data, we can once again put beings into a state where they can leave and return to their bodies at will, and move them one step closer to full OT. Then, we can finally put this chapter in our history behind us for good. To begin the process of restoring human abilities and obtaining the booklet, click on the link and wish you luck. Ciao.